This initiative takes all the old, dirty, broken crayons your kids are finished using and gives them a brand new purpose. Discarded and forgotten by the children they once made happy, millions of crayons now call the landfill home. But since 2011, Bryan Ware, who has his own manufacturing business, has sorted and melted down more than 30 million wax fragments and turned them into freshly sanitized tools for kids to use while they're in the hospital.
So this is a way for that child to escape from the situation that they're in.
Volunteering for the project gives these AAA employees a direct connection to Oklahoma kids in need.
One of our values is actually caring, so we're able to show the community that we care by doing this event.
And they're not alone. Schools, restaurants, churches, and families are showing their true colors too.
We have about 3 million advocates around the country collecting crayons for us. And then we've gotten them as far away as Japan and Europe.
To find out how you can help with this cause, head to this story in the News 9 app. In Northwest Oklahoma City, Jesse Mitchell, Oklahoma Zone News 9.